Hello and welcome. My name's Charles. Welcome to Baggys workshop. Okay, so this is the first video where we're doing a bit of work actually on the renovation for the new offices. I'm actually going to be working in the basement today. Let me go down. It's not a lot of space down here, but I'll show you in a second what we're working with. Still got the old beer pumps, they're coming out shortly, but we need to get this room ready to be used for a bit of storage. So what I'll do is I'll just flip you around and so we can see what we're actually working with. Okay, so as you can see, not very nice down here. So what we need to do is I need to clear the walls initially, clean up in here, get it so that we can actually put stuff down here. It is dry down here, which is quite nice. It's quite sturdy, and of course we've got the ceiling, which is made of bricks and stuff, and we've got our own little welcome, our little visitors in here, which hopefully I'll be able to get rid of these as well. So today's plan is to clear up one side of this basement. The other side, so it's got the old beer pumps which are coming out very shortly. And then we can give this a good clean, ready to start using it for storage. Won't be putting any electrical stuff or anything down here, of course, because even though it's dry, it could be a bit damp. So we'll just get this all tidied up, ready, and see where we go. I'm going to put on a bit of a time lapse for the rest of this video. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so like I say, we've done down here now. Don't know what the next project will be. It all depends on planning, of course. We're still waiting for change of use, so we're only working on the bits which won't matter if we don't get it anyway. We should get it with our planning for this building, just changing what that planning was. We'll be doing bits and bobs around the building, improving it, because it needs to be improved whatever happens. So we're going to get it improved, and we'll just see what the next thing is. No idea. We're just waiting for the brewery to come and remove their equipment, because that's taking up quite a lot of space. That should be gone very shortly. Once that's out, that gives a bit more room down here and upstairs in the rest of the pub. And again, once that's been done, they've ripped out all their equipment, we can get on and actually start fixing the floorboards, which need to be fixed, because there's quite a lot of rotten ones. Hopefully we can get onto that quite soon. Don't forget, if you like this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. I'd like you to join us on the journey through this conversion. I look forward to seeing you next time.